Assalamu alaikum viewers and my dear student. Today we are going to start our first lecture, Introduction to Online Journalism, which will helpful to all of you to understand the current digital era of mass communication. So online journalism, digital journalism or web journalism, I believe that these names are not new for all of you. You can be understand, you have heard so many times. So before discussing the definition of journalism, here we should be clear our idea that why online journalism exists and what are the future of online journalism. Online journalism, as we know, the oldest journalism in this world, which is print journalism, and it is availability is still valuable and so much informative, and people rely on the newspapers news as well. So newspaper, TV revenues are going to down day by day because their viewers and readership are going to be reduced. So in this digital era where everyone have a smartphone, everyone has easy access to internet, and now 3G, 4G, and we are entering in the world of 5G. So the importance of online journalism has increased due to their timeline, hypertextuality, availability, and interactivity with the words, with a lot of people throughout the world. So some newspapers has already closed due to the financial problems which they are facing, and the government and so many authoritative monopoly trying to be dominate over the press, and these are so many reasons. And in printing or electronic media, you must have a setup, but in online journalism where everyone is a reporter, he or she can be report even directly through their smartphones, through their iPhone, through their internet access. So the tradition media will not die, but the importance of online journalism will grow. So the history of media shows the rival new media changes. The role of exist media never be denied, but the journalism and online journalism and nature of audiences, because in every generation most of audiences using or consuming media due to need of time, due to their interest. But in this raw, the most of student, those who have easy access towards the online journalism, if anybody who has already smartphone and internet package, he never be try to buy in a 30 or 35 rupees or done newspaper, but he will be try and go through the any web and open the and read done newspaper. Or if anyone who want to be go and check the site and read something else about the BBC report for transparency, for confirmation, for reliability, for confirmation of any event. So online journalism has a lot of audiences, have so many audiences that can be from any country access to the your site or your blog or your on a YouTube channel or on any which way you have already uploaded. So for understanding the simple definition of online journalism, there are few definitions which I have written to clear your concept about the what is online journalism. The journalistic activities primarily conducted for the disseminating information through internet. जितने भी जर्नलिज्म में या मीडिया एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्टडी में एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं या प्रोफेशनल जर्नलिज्म में एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं वो हम प्राइमरी तौर पे करते हैं और जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन हम दुनिया के साथ शेयर करते हैं डिसिमिनेट करते हैं तो उसमें अगर हम इंटरनेट का यूज़ करते हैं तो इट कैन बी कॉल्ड द ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म. Another definition which will be helpful for you. Online journalism is a journalism or simply defined that the method of delivery to the audiences via net. कि आप जो मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो अपना मैसेज ऑडियंसेस तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं इंटरनेट के ज़रिए. The internet has greatest advance for communication since the printing press. As I already mentioned in my commencing the lecture, that print journalism have few audiences, few readers. Electronic journalism have as well few, but now online journalism have every user of smartphone. If you can go through the survey, in Pakistan there is a more than 60% users those who are using smartphones. The majority ratio is youngsters and new generation having the smartphones. An important information source is important as other traditional media. It is like as important for other media. There are few online websites regarding the Republicia. Then I am going to show you, then you can be clearly understand it. Another is a Dawn newspaper and newspaper.com, and if we can go clear our concept that which site cannot be count as online journalism is not. अगर हम बात करें कि कौन सा ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म नहीं हम समझ सकते हैं तो देयर आर सो मेनी सिंपल website just like as a Google, just like as a Wikipedia. We never be consider all these as online journalism. It must be clear. Okay, so to get or clear your concept regarding online journalism, there are some strengths or characteristics of online journalism which will helpful to you to understand the working style and nature of online journalism, that how online journalism work in our society for the targeted audiences. Unlimited space in online journalism. Number first, unlimited space online journalism have. Unlike traditional media, which we can count, some have the space and some have the time. So the time consuming and the space consuming, the most of publishing consists of the few space, just like as I even if we can read the newspaper, it's consists more than 25 pages, but it's also have a limited space. And number second is a time. Electronic media is a time consuming, or radio is a time consuming media, which have a sufficient time or enough time to be broadcast or on air any information. But online journalism it is a unlimited space. You can store unlimited data because there is no any space. So what you want to be share, it has space, time, and it has a power to access himself to the public. Number second, it can be globally distributed. The global distribution search is basic feature of online media. I if the newspapers readership can be check, it never be out of the Pakistan, and those who will check the online through online done, they must be want to be well known about the what is happening in Pakistan or what is going on in Pakistan. But the some news channels, those who are only on a satellite, but some newspaper have also on YouTube channels, and recorded programs are also available. Those programs are available on internet or YouTube. They consider as a online journalism. So because of their global distribution of information to the audience. Number third, convergence. Other media have same convergence for multimedia, but their process for covering the news, for editing it, for texting it, for voice over it, for making a video and send it to the particular channel, and it will be also on air. It has a lengthy and tedious process, but this in the online journalism convergence, that all things are collectively on one platform, and people have easy access to edit all these things, and because it is a multimedia, and you have in a same smartphone record the video, edit it, voice over it, and share on your blog or YouTube. But in other, there is a if one who is going to be report, now he has recorded their video, and now he go to their office and edit it, and now it was after sent to the particular channel, and after that it will be on air. So it is a lengthy process, but due to their convergence, online journalism has multi-mediums. So number fifth is a hypertext. Hypertext, it is a link which make with other contents for interactivity. Through if you have upload any video or any your picture or any story on your blog or any social media, people can be interact with you. So it is also connectivity, that interactive increase the availability of a public activity, participate in the discussion or construction and control to the content. And internet provides a greater level of audiences participation, producing just like as a community journalism or citizen journalism, and any other discussion for after consuming, they can be give the feedback. So these are the positive points or strength of online journalism, and characteristics of online journalism which are considered by many writers, just like as here is a Mark Bex, a writer of this book, which show that journalism next. He has also write these as a character, but another writer of this book, this site, that he has write as a strength of online journalism. So now strengthen that strengthen is a continue. That global search, I am going to be concise all these characteristic and strengthens that online journalism has a global search. People can be globally search from anywhere. Easy to publish. Uh, it has clear. It was already cleared that through online activity or online journalism for updating any video, news or news story, it is easy as compared to the public printing or electronic media. Interactivity. um those who visited those who has visited your blog, they interact with you through the feedback and give comments and get feedback from you as well. Interactivity. After interactivity, multimedia possibility and timelines, unlimited space, these are also count as online journalism's characters. So after the characteristic or advantage, or there are few disadvantages and weaknesses of online journalism. That online journalism, it is a mushroom sites. Which site people want to be open it? Journalists are news for getting journalist or news opinion, because there is a lot of people, they have right on some particular topic with the different opinions. So the mushroom of website and news channels and YouTube information can be it can be called as a weaknesses of this online journalism. Lack of credibility. The it is not easy to distinguish between the good and bad news site, and it is a reliable, credible or not. So it's difficult to determine that which site can be give us good information, healthy information, positive information, or it can be the part of your any propaganda. There are so many sites which negatively propagate against their opponent or enemies. Number third is the ethical consideration or ethical question can be aroused, that because where we have already that it has a globally audiences, so the clash of civilization, culture and opinions and even ideological came into being or exist. So the your privacy has also some kind of showing the weaknesses, that anyone who can be also come and give you the negative. Accuracy versus speed, कि आप की इंफॉर्मेशन एक्यूरेट है, लेकिन आप की जो उसमें दूसरे जा रहे हैं जितनी तेज़ स्पीड में, उसमें आपको थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्टी आ रही है. और मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करते हैं कि कॉपी पेस्ट का ज़माना बहुत है, तो कॉपी पेस्ट के दौरान भी हमारे पास जो है ना वो पता नहीं चलता कि ये सही है, गलत है, प्रोपेगेंडा है, क्या है. तो इस हवाले से ये सारी चीज़ें हमें बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होती है. एडवर्टाइजिंग unnecessary advertising is also I have also just checked my email. There are more than the 5 or 10 advertising appeared from the side of particular even website or even Gmail account. So advertising is also create a weaknesses, that if you have experience of a YouTube channel, before watching any channel, you must have watch unnecessary advertising of 5 seconds or 6 seconds. They want to be share their message. So digital has divided. It is also weaknesses, that people are also divided, and most of people due to the huge information and overloaded information. People have not ability to decide that what is right and what is wrong. Already that opinion based, so propaganda for obtaining their particular goals and strategy they want to be obtained. They want to be give their opinion, give their antithesis, give their opposite analysis against any channel or anything. So the individual never be decided that what is right and what is wrong. So if we have all these problems, all these weaknesses to find out that people are going to be manipulated according to some unreliable or reliable sources where I have read this, that people manipulated by the feudals, manipulated by the clergies, manipulated by the economists, manipulated by the even media persons because of someone's agenda. So in digital media age, where all these things are prevalent and there is a positiveness and negativeness is also available, तो यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें मैं लास्ट में रिवाइज करना चाहता हूँ ताकि आप लोगों का थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए कि ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म जो है वो आप जो भी जर्नलिस्ट से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, अब जर्नलिस्ट से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी कौन सी है, अगर हम कंसिडर करें इन चीज़ों को तो हमारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो सकता है कि न्यूज़, आपकी कोई ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन, एंटरटेनमेंट, एडवर्टाइजिंग या इंफॉर्मेशन, तो वो हम जर्नलिज्म में कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. जो हमने फंक्शंस ऑफ जर्नलिज्म पढ़े हैं, तो जिस तरह की एक्टिविटी आप किसी भी साइट, किसी भी चैनल, किसी भी ब्लॉग या ब्लॉग से करें, वो आपका जर्नलिज्म जो है ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म में कंसिडर हो सकता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ बात होती है कि हम सोशल मीडिया को क्या ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म में कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. तो समटाइम्स हम उसे कंसिडर कर सकते हैं अगर हम उसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए. लेकिन सोशल मीडिया बेसिकली है जो वो हर एक का अपनी पर्सनल बातें होती हैं, हर एक का अपना पर्सनल एक्टिविटीज़ भी रखते हैं, अपनी वो एक्टिविटीज़ जो जर्नलिज्म से रिलेटेड नहीं होती, लेकिन वो भी रखते हैं कि आई हैव डन अ ब्रेक, नाउ आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स देयर, आई हैव डन दिस, आई हैव बाय दिस. सो दीज एक्टिविटीज़ आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज ए जर्नलिस्टिक एक्टिविटी. बट मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम आपके इलाके में कोई हादसा हो गया है, आपने उसकी कवरेज दी है सोशल मीडिया के ज़रिए, आपने वुमेन राइट्स के लिए आवाज़ उठाई है, तो ये चीज़ें आपकी उस सोशल मीडिया में कंसिडर की जा सकती हैं और मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम होती है. और यहाँ पे तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो न्यूज़ आजकल विच आई इट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस कि जो न्यूज़ हमने देखी है उन न्यूज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा हमारी न्यूज़ सोशल मीडिया से उठाई जाती हैं कि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद अगर पॉलिटिशियंस की पाकिस्तान में एक नई तब्दीली आ गई है कि वो अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाली बात अपने ट्विटर पर रख देते हैं और मीडिया वाले उसे न्यूज़ बना देते हैं. सो ये जो है वो तब्दीली आ चुकी है ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म में, ये चेंज हुई. पहले क्या होता था कि आप प्रेस रिलीज़ करते थे, पहले क्या होता था आप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते थे, आप प्रेस रिलीज सेंड करते थे या किसी इदारे को फ़ोन करके उसे जो है इंटरव्यू देते थे. लेकिन अब एक न्यूज़ का नया फॉर्मेट आया है जो ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म की बदौलत है, आई बिलीव दैट. वो है आपका ट्विटर अकाउंट. اینڈ جتنے بھی آفیشیلس ہیں یا جتنے بھی میڈیا پرسنس ہیں، اسپورٹس مین ہیں، پولیٹیشینس ہیں، یا جس بھی فیلڈ سے وہ تعلق رکھتے ہیں اور ایک ویل نون ریسپیکٹڈ سٹیزن ہے جس کی سروسز ہیں، تو ان لوگوں کے لیے یہ ہے کہ میڈیا ان کی کوریج، ان کی پریس کانفرنسز زیادہ آج کل جتنی نیوز آ رہی ہیں جو اسپیشلی پاکستان میں، وہ نیوز جو ہیں وہ کنسیڈر کی جا رہی ہیں کہ اس طرح کی نیوز آپ کو ملیں گی، اور ملنے کے لیے آپ کو ایسی نیوز کو کنسیڈر کرنے کے لیے آپ کو ٹویٹر کا ریفرنس دیں گے۔ امید کرتا ہوں آپ لوگوں کو انٹروڈکشن ٹو آن لائن جرنلزم سمجھ میں آیا ہوگا، لیکن پھر بھی اف یو ہیو اینی کوسچن کیوریز یو کین آسک فرام می. آئی ایم گوئنگ ٹو complete this with the best wishes and prayers. Keep remember in your prayers. Stay blessed. Khuda Hafiz.